The White House says that it is mourning the deaths of 3 U.S. soldiers who lost their lives in the Middle East. They were killed during an attack in Jordan that wounded many more troops. President Joe Biden promises to hit back, but just when and how is still to be decided. White House Correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen.
Tracy, President Joe Biden called it a despicable and wholly unjust attack. The American Army soldiers at a logistics support base targeted yesterday by an unmanned drone. And the president says he'll hold all those responsible to account at a time and in a manner of our choosing.
Afternoon, everybody.
National Security Council spokesman John Kirby updates reporters on the deadly attack on U.S. soldiers in Jordan, blamed on Iranian-backed militias.
We're mindful of what Iran's doing in the region, and we have taken aggressive action against these proxy groups and on their influence in the region, and there are decisions yet to come.
The attack comes as Israel battles Hamas in Gaza, in a war the U.S. hopes to contain and not see spread. Just today, thousands of Palestinians fleeing for their lives, carrying whatever they can. And earlier at the Pentagon, Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin expressed anger at the loss of the American troops.
Let me start with my outrage and sorrow for the death of 3 brave U.S. troops in Jordan, and for the other troops who were wounded.
Secretary Austin returning to work after battling prostate cancer, meeting today with NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg, who also expressed his condolences for the fallen soldiers, and Austin issuing this warning.
The President and I will not tolerate attack on U.S. forces, and we will take all necessary actions to defend the U.S. and our troops.
President Biden responded to the attack yesterday after a political event in South Carolina. He called it a tough day in the Middle East.
We lost 3 brave souls in an attack on one of our bases.
Yes.
And I've asked for a moment of silence for all 3 of those fallen soldiers.
And after that moment of silence, he added,
And we shall respond.
and at a Pentagon briefing today,
The names of those soldiers who lost their lives were Sergeant William Rivers, Specialist Kennedy Sanders, and Specialist Breonna Moffett.
The soldiers, all from Georgia, and Army reservists, and among them 24-year-old Specialist Kennedy Sanders, who joined up about 5 years ago. We're told she was set to come home in June. Her parents said Kennedy, who was always smiling, volunteered to deploy, and she wanted to see the world. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.